Today we're going to dive into one of the craziest AI browsers in the world. A browser that doesn't just stand out, it redefines the entire concept of web browsing. Its name is Norton Neo, and if you think it's just another browser with a few AI features added on top, you're totally mistaken. Because this one was built from the ground up with AI, not something that was added later. And what it can do will literally blow your mind. Best part, it's completely free and you can download it right now. So get ready, because we're about to see why Norton Neo is the future of browsers. This is AI Border, where we turn the world of artificial intelligence upside down. Here you'll discover the latest AI tools, the coolest content creation tricks, and real ways to make money with AI. While our team is busy testing and reviewing the newest technologies, I'm here to show you all the highlights in the simplest and most exciting way possible. Every week you'll see things that will blow your mind. Make sure to leave your comment below on AI Border. Every comment is actually read. Now let's step into the future. Quick heads up before we start. In every video here on AI Border, 2 random viewers who leave a comment below will win a pro account of this very tool. So make sure to drop a comment, share your thoughts, or even just an emoji, because the next winner might be you. Let's jump into the video. I've been using browsers for over 20 years. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and they're all basically versions of the same idea. But Norton Neo? It's a whole different world. This browser is what browsers should have been from day one, if AI had existed back then. Now I'm going to show you exactly what makes this browser so special. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll definitely want to install it right away. But first, let me tell you what's wrong with the browsers you're using right now. You open Chrome, search for something, click a link, open a new tab, then another one, and suddenly you've got 47 tabs open and can't find anything. Sounds familiar? Then you're jumping between apps, copying and pasting, trying to manage the chaos. We're still browsing the web like it's 2005. Search, click, tab, clutter. It's 2025 and we're still acting like cavemen. Norton Neo fixed all that, and I'm going to show you how. First of all, Magic Box. Think of it as an AI command center, like a super-powered assistant that's always there for you. Instead of opening new tabs and switching between tools, you just type what you need inside Magic Box. I tested it myself. I typed, "Write me 3 major breakthroughs in quantum computing from the past month." A few seconds later, it brought me precise summaries with sources and publication dates. No endless clicking, no 20 tabs, just accurate, fast answers backed by evidence. Then it got even crazier. I asked, "Give me 5 most cited research papers on CRISPR in 2024. Again, the results were spot on. Title, authors, year, and a short summary of each. What usually takes hours happened in seconds. Magic Box isn't just a search engine, it's a fusion of search, chat, and action in one place. Summarizing, creating content, doing research, comparing products, whatever you need. It's like combining ChatGPT, Google, and a research assistant all in one. Now, let's move to the feature that will forever change the way you browse: peek and summary. You know when you hover over a link and wonder if it's worth clicking? With Neo, you don't have to click first. You can preview any site instantly. When I was searching for Italian pasta recipes, I didn't have to open every single link anymore. I could preview each page, scan its content, even interact with it without actually entering the site. My research time was cut in half. And that's just the beginning. When I was testing PDF to Word converter tools, I previewed the sites, checked their features, even uploaded files to test them directly from inside the preview without leaving Neo. It's truly insane. You're literally browsing the internet without really browsing the internet. Let's talk about the AI writing assistant. It upgrades everything you type. Whether it's an email, a social media captions, or a work document, Neo helps you write like a pro, even if you're not one. Type less, say more. It refines your expressions, fixes grammar, and makes your writing clearer. It's like having an editor living right inside your browser. A major thing that sets Norton Neo apart from the rest is its security. It comes with Norton Web Shield, which blocks phishing, malware, and harmful sites in real time. Your browsing is secure by default. It also includes an ad blocker, no more pop-ups or slow pages, just clean, fast browsing with protection from a brand you've always trusted. Now, the even more amazing part, Neo learns what matters to you in a helpful, not creepy way. If you're researching AI tools, it shows related content. If you're planning a vacation, it suggests helpful guides and recommendations. If you're learning a new skill, it gathers tutorials and resources for you. It builds a personalized feed that truly helps you get things done, instead of wasting time on random content. Neo also remembers your activity path. It reminds you of updates or information related to your past work, so you never miss a thing. For example, if you were researching a topic last week and now new information about it has been released, Neo automatically lets you know. A real example, let's say you're comparing AI writing tools like Grammarly Jasper and WriteSonic. Neo remembers that set. When one of them changes its price or features, Neo notifies you automatically. You no longer need to recheck websites. Neo keeps it all in memory for you. This isn't just faster browsing, it's smarter browsing, better learning, more creativity, and sharper focus. It's like having a research assistant that never sleeps and never forgets. I even tested its fact-checking system. I asked, is it true that humans only use 10% of their brains? Within seconds, it found 3 credible scientific sources, disproving that myth, summarized each result, and showed every author's viewpoint. What normally takes half an hour happened in 30 seconds. The speed is unbelievable. Searches are fast, answers are accurate, sources are trustworthy. I've been testing it for weeks now and haven't seen a single wrong answer yet. Since it's made by Norton, your privacy is taken seriously. Your browsing history isn't sold, your personal data isn't collected or traded. Norton has protected people online for years, and it shows here too. Best part? Neo is free. Download it right now and use all its features immediately. No hidden subscriptions or fees, now just install and start. I've been using it for weeks, and going back to regular browsers now feels like switching from a smartphone to an old flip phone. Sure, they still work, but why would you go back? Neo is smarter, cleaner, safer, and more proactive than any browser I've ever tested. This isn't an old browser with AI slapped onto it. It's what Chrome would have been if it were created today, with AI at its heart. This is the future of the web, and it's already here. Neo is changing how we browse, work, research, and think online. Download it today and see for yourself why this is the craziest AI browser ever built. The download link is in the video description. What do you think about Neo? Are you going to try it? Write it in the comments below. AI Border reads every single comment, so share your thoughts. And if this video helped you see why AI browsers are the future of the internet, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI updates.